Scorpio and Aries, bestie, humor, lovely. Virgo and Capricorn, couple, strong, hot. Libra and Pisces, friend, smart, insecure. Gemini and Aquarius, married, strong, pretty. Scorpio and Leo, manipulative, hot, enemy. Sagittarius and Gemini, talkative, cute, smart. Taurus and Aquarius, smart, crush, sexy. Cancer and Pisces, bestie, shy, intelligent. Virgo and Aquarius, enemy, cute, humor. Aries and Leo, hot, friendly. Capricorn and Cancer, sexy, loyal, intelligent. Aries and Taurus, friends, strong, passionate. Pisces and Virgo, cute, humor, loyal. Sagittarius and Aquarius, hot, couple, talkative. Libra and Gemini, sexy, lovely, crush. Scorpio and Libra, beetle, strong, shy. Leo and Capricorn, cool, insecure, pretty. Cancer and Sagittarius, honest, smart, shy. Libra and Aries, married, strong, sexy. Virgo and Gemini, soulmate, hot, lovely. Scorpio and Pisces, couple, humor, creative. Cancer and Cancer, manipulative, loyal, sexy. Aquarius and Aries, married, strong, hot. Libra and Capricorn, friends, lovely, cute. Taurus and Scorpio, soulmate, smart, sexy. Couples: Virgo Capricorn, power couple. Libra Leo, the showstopper. Scorpio Virgo, the demanding duo. Cancer Taurus, the nurturing partners. Aquarius Gemini, the intellectual discoverers. Virgo Libra, the sensual lovers. Pisces Scorpio, the soulmate. Sagittarius Aries, the ride or die. Taurus Pisces, the opposite. Capricorn Cancer, the hot and cool duo. Sagittarius Aquarius, the rebels without a cause. Aries Libra, the Ars and Aphrodite love story. Leo Gemini, the social butterfly. Gemini Sagittarius, the explorers. Taurus Capricorn, the stable couple. Pisces Cancer, the intuitive couples. Scorpio Gemini, the dominating pair. Leo Aquarius, the willful spotlight stealers.